Aloha and welcome to another video here from beautiful Hawaii. Today's actually raining, so let me just show you what it looks like today. So yes, we do have rainy days here in Hawaii. However, it's about 3 p.m. and until like 20 minutes ago it was beautiful and everybody was out and about and at the beach, and now the weather changed. Check out one of other videos about vacation in Hawaii where we tell you what the best time might be to come to Hawaii and spend your holidays here so that you don't end up laying in the rain. This video is about food. Where to buy groceries, where are the cheap places to buy groceries, where are restaurants, good restaurants that you can eat at here in Hawaii. Right behind here we are at a Whole Foods market, which is definitely not the cheapest place where you can do your grocery shopping, but Whole Foods has definitely very high quality. They make sure that none of the food that you have here has GMO or that it is organic. So so a lot of organic food that you can buy here at Whole Foods, and we're here at the brand new location close to Waikiki, and I will meet my friend Marius upstairs, and he had a couple questions about shopping in Hawaii, where to shop, where to go grocery shopping, because there's places where you can, you know, spend a lot of money on very small a very small amount of groceries, and there's other places where you can actually get a lot more for your dollars. So now we are about to meet Marius. Aloha.
Aloha.
There's Marius. Marius had a couple of questions about grocery shopping in Hawaii. Marius, you were visiting from
Germany.
And he's an intern here with us at Daniel's Hawaii. Daniel's Hawaii is a tour company. We do private and semi-private tours here on the islands. And Marius is here for a few months. And of course, as an intern, you don't make a ton of money. So he had to figure out, okay, so where, or he had questions where to go and buy groceries. So Marius, how can I help you?
Yeah, I think one of the first questions I had when I came here is where's the best place to get some groceries, and I think that's might be interesting for a lot of tourists. So.
Okay, so where's the best place to get groceries? I mean, that's obviously very subjective. Some people like Whole Foods where we're at right now, which is a little bit on the more expensive side. Other people say, well, you know, I prefer get a little bit more food for the money that I spend. So there's a grocery store called Safeway, and then there's another local grocery store called Foodland. So those are two other grocery stores besides Whole Food where you can actually do your grocery shopping.
Okay, nice. And other groceries here more expensive than elsewhere, or is it quite the same?
That's a very good question.
Like
so
the mainland, yes.
Yeah, so groceries here in Hawaii are definitely more expensive than on the mainland because we ship everything to the island. So everything is shipped here. Well, at least more than 85% of what we have here is shipped to Hawaii. So that's why, of course, somebody has to pay for that, and that's us. So yeah, groceries are definitely more expensive here than on the mainland.
Okay.
You had a question about the card.
About what card?
Safeway card.
Safeway card. Yeah.
Well, that's a great interview.
Yeah.
I know the questions and the answers. So there's a Safeway card. So especially from for visitors from Australia, Canada, or even UK, you know, like people from all over the world actually you know, there's cards that you can get here at Safeway, and that it's a member card, and everybody can get it. So even if you're from, you know, if you're just visiting, you can get the member card, and it really helps with the prices. So feel free to, whenever you go to a Safeway or a Foodland, to ask for the membership card or the member card, and then you can save a lot of money. Here at Whole Foods, by the way, you can save money whenever you're an Amazon Prime member, because Amazon bought Whole Foods, and if you are an Amazon Prime member, you can save money with your Amazon Prime membership.
Okay, yeah, I totally forget this question. But the last question I have is, do you have any good restaurants, or not that expensive restaurants, that's, you know, a nice place to go to, or something you have to see when you're here?
Well, nice places out here. There's of course good restaurants in Waikiki. However, Waikiki restaurants, of course, are a little bit more pricey than the mom and pop restaurants that you can go to outside of Waikiki. A good way of finding new restaurants and to check it out is TripAdvisor, or another app that is very popular here in Hawaii is Yelp, Y-E-L-P, spelled Y-E-L-P, and Yelp.com can give you great information about restaurants that we have here, and so, you know, like every customer can leave a review there. So it's a really cool app, just like TripAdvisor, where you can find out about cool places to eat.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, did I forget something again?
Yeah. If you want to have really cheap groceries, then you just go to Chinatown. Because in Chinatown, right?
Yeah, they're vegetables.
Because in Chinatown, you can get really cheap groceries there. Of course, that's downtown Honolulu, so that's I would say maybe 4 or 5 miles away from downtown, from Waikiki. So you would have to take a cab, or even you can go by bus. So it's quite a longer way, whereas the Safeway is right outside of Waikiki. Whole Foods is maybe a mile outside of Waikiki, so those are really close by. But yeah, Chinatown, if you are looking for really cheap groceries, then Chinatown is the best address. Anything else?
No.
Dude, you're holding the paper,
no,
right?
it's this one.
Oh,
yeah.
the rainy one, yeah.
No,
That's it?
yeah, we just have the... Yeah, what is about the ABC stores? I saw a lot of ABC stores here, and are they more like for snacks, or can I get there some fresh groceries?
That's a good question. So ABC stores, once you are in Waikiki and you arrived in Waikiki, you will see that there's more ABC stores than Starbucks, which we already have a Starbucks on every corner, but it feels like there's 2 ABC stores on every corner.
Yeah.
So there's lots of ABC stores. The ABC stores are, you know, it's like convenient. They have water, they have drinks, they have beer. They do have a little bit like of fruit and all that, but it's all, you know, it's all packaged. So ABC stores are good if you just want to grab a snack, or if you just want to grab a bite while you're on the run. It's definitely not something that I recommend to like go grocery shopping.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. That's it. I hope our video about shopping in Hawaii helped you guys to figure out where to go, where to shop, and if you have any questions, please feel free to put your questions in the comment section, and then we will answer them either in a short video or in a message, or we comment and answer the question on Facebook. If you have more questions, want to learn more about Hawaii, just feel free to check out our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and put in Daniel's Hawaii. There's a lot of good videos, a lot of good stuff about your Hawaii vacation, how to plan a Hawaii vacation, when's the best time to come and visit Hawaii, and all these kind of stuff. And if you're interested in the tour, just feel free to go to danielshawaii.com, and we'll be more than happy to show you the island. That's it. Aloha.
Goodbye.